Welcome to CertExam's YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss the topic IPv4 addressing. IP addresses are written using decimal numbers separated by decimal points. This is called dotted decimal notation of expressing IP addresses. The different classes of IP addresses as per IPv4 specification is as below. For Class A addresses, the format is N.H.H.H, leading bit is 0, network address range is 0 to 126, which means 127 max networks and 16,777,214 possible hosts. For Class B addresses, the format is N.H.H, leading bit is 10, network address range is 128 to 191, which means 16,384 max networks and 65,534 possible hosts. For Class C addresses, format is N.H, leading bit is 110, network address range is from 192 to 223, which means 2,097,152 max networks and 254 possible hosts. Class D addresses are multicast in nature. Leading bit is 1110 and the address range is from 224.0.0.0 to 239.255.255.255. Class E addresses are reserved for future use. Leading bit is 1111 and the address range is from 240.0.0.0 to 255. Some important points to note for IPv4 addressing are: network addresses of all zeros means this network or segment. The network address of all ones means all networks, same as hexadecimal of all FS. Network number 127 is reserved for loopback tests. Host address of all zeros means this host. Host address of all ones mean all hosts on the specified network. Class D is a special multicast address and cannot be used for networks. The 4 high-order bits are always 1110, and the remaining 28 bits allow for more than 268 million possible addresses. There is no concept of network and host address ranges in Class D. Class E is reserved for experimental purposes. The first 4 bits in the address are always 1111. Thank you for watching. Do check out other videos on our channel.